Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I Surbhi Goel, a legal intern at Lex Click. Today's topic is Contract Act. I'm going to explain in this video the basics of contract, what is offer, what is acceptance, what is revocation of the contract, essential of contract, definition of contract, and so on. We will be discussing the very basic of the contract. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, I would like to tell you the definition of the contract. So according to section 2H of Contract Act defines a contract. According to it, a contract is an agreement enforceable by law. It is thus an agreement between two or more persons to do or not to do some act. In fact, every promise forming the consideration for each other is an agreement. If the agreement is not enforceable, the contract is void. Hence, all contracts are agreements, but not all agreements are contract. So, under section 10 of Contract Act, they're given essential of the Contract Act. So, the essential of a valid Contract Act are first, consent of the parties, second, consensus ad idem, third, first is consent of the party, that is consensus ad idem. Second is legal capacity or competence of the parties. Third is consideration, and fourth is lawful object and lawful consideration. So let's start from the first point, that is consent. So it is defined under section 13 of the Contract Act, where two or more persons are said to give consent when they agree on the same thing in the same sense. That is consensus and idem. It is not free when there is a coercion under influence, fraud and misrepresentation. In such case, the contract becomes voidable. But when there is no consent, the contract becomes void. Next essential is legal capacity. So, Section 11 of the Contract Act state that the parties to the contract must be competent to contract. There is no capacity when a party is a minor or insane, an idiot, or when he is disqualified according to any special law to which he is subject. A contract with a minor is void ab initio, from the very beginning or from the very start. A person below 18 years of age is a minor, that is 21 years for a ward under a guardian. The leading case is Mahori Bibi versus Dharmadas Ghosh. The third essential is consideration. An agreement without consideration is void. It is mentioned in section 25 of the Contract Act. Consideration is defined in section 2D when at the desire of the promisor, the promisee, or any other person has done or abstained from doing, or does or abstain from doing, or promises to do or abstain from doing something. Such act, absistence or promise is called a consideration for the promise. The rule is ex nudo pacto non oritur acto. On naked pact contract, that is contract, no action arises. That is, without consideration, no action arises. Consideration must be clear, specific, and not illusory. It may be inadequate if parties agree to contract. By that itself, contract will not become void. But the general rule is no consideration, no contract. But there are exceptions. First exception is when agreement is made on account of natural love and affection, that is, let's say, gift by father to daughter. It should be in writing and to be registered. Compensation promised for service rendered. Past consideration is good consideration. So, fourth essential is lawful object. According to section 23 of the Contract Act, the consideration or object of the agreement must be lawful, otherwise the contract is totally void. The consideration or object is not lawful if, first, it is forbidden by law; second, it is of such of nature that if permitted it would defeat the provision of any law; third, it is fraudulent; Fourth, it involves or implies injury to the person or property of another. And fifth, it is immoral or opposed to public policy. Example, let's say ABC agree to divide their earnings got by fraud. Second example could be lease agreement of a house of immoral purpose. That's all for today. In tomorrow's video, I will be explaining what is offer, invitation, essential of offer, invitation, and a lot more about this topic. So I hope you like the video. Please like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.